A special lifting gear allows the entire sheet pile package to be loaded and unloaded. These 4 unit packages can be ordered directly from the sheet pile supplier. Using the remote control operation, the operator can control all functions of the piling rig and various attachments, such as the sheet pile press. Tasks like hooking in the chains can also be carried out by the operator. The sheet pile press can be used to erect 4 sheet piles simultaneously without the need for additional equipment. The MPU 400 to 500 is adjustable for sheet pile profiles from 400 to 500 mm and sheet pile heights from 165 to 515 mm. The patented press and extraction automation allow different pressing sequences to run automatically. Three sequences can be customized, while sensors continuously monitor the press cylinder. The pressing process is electronically monitored through various sensors. Thanks to the rotating mast, pressing corners within an excavation pit is also possible. With the ACS quick coupling system, additional tools for various applications, such as a rotary drive for pre-drilling, can be attached. The remote control operation provides an overview of all work movements and enables highly precise control without the need for an assistant.